I hope this email finds you well. Hey, Jazzy Squad. Welcome to another 15-minute Jazz It Up. I'm Jazz, and today we're going to be focusing on desk exercises specifically for beginners, but all fitness levels are welcome to join. You can easily complete this workout during a lunch break if you have 15 minutes to kill during your workday. No equipment is needed, but be sure to put on some workout shoes to take care of this workout. Let's take a few deep breaths to get ourselves centered, and we'll get started soon. All right, Jazzies, let's get started with the warm-up, and then we'll get going. So we're just going to get some high knees going, okay? If you need to hold on to something, hold on to your desk, please do. But try to do this without holding anything, okay? So just get those high knees up one at a time. Let's see if working out in a suit for me is gonna will work, but I'm just showing you guys and gals that we can easily take care of this workout even in our work clothes. Ideally, probably you don't want to do it, but hey, this is my first time trying it. Let's see how it goes. So yeah, we can easily take care of this during our workday. 15 minutes, quick and easy, okay? All right, team. So let's get started. We're gonna get, as you can see up top, we're gonna get some modified lift-offs. We're just gonna get that step back lunge, half lunge with that high knee. Okay, if you're feeling a little spicy, get up onto those toes, but if you just wanna stay stationary with that foot, that's okay. All right, let's start with that. Left leg forward, right leg back. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, and let's get it. So half lunge, lift off. Half lunge, lift off. And you can easily hold your desk, hold the wall, hold a chair to give yourself a little bit more stability, a little bit more balance. But if you're feeling confident with your balance and your ability to manage it, please do it without any assistance. So again, we're starting with just this lift, left leg forward here. Half lunge, high knee, lift off onto those toes, getting those calves nice and warm. All right, switch it up. Let's go right leg forward now, left leg back. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. If you need to put that opposite foot down before you take that step back, that's okay, but try your best. Fluid motion back, up, step back, and continue. Don't go too fast here. Manage it. Pace yourself up. Go at a speed that you're comfortable with.
You are now listening to Dr. Jazz.
Nice little leg exercise to warm up our glutes, warm up our quads, and our calves. All right, team, almost there. All right, rest it up. All right, up next, we're gonna be doing some body weight squats or those sit to stands, okay? So find a chair, find a bench, probably a chair in your office to do the sit to stands, but if you wanna do it with no assistance, that is okay, all right? Feet shoulder width, team, here we go. 3, 2, 1, let's get it. Squat down low, kick that booty out. The suit's pretty tight, so hopefully I don't rip anything. All right, team, inhale down, exhale up. If you work in cubicles and you're doing this workout in your cubicle, I'm sure people are seeing your head pop up and down if you're doing the squats right now with that, which I'm sure is a funny sight. Inhale down, team, exhale up. Body weight squats, sit to stance here. Doing a squat in a suit is challenging, especially with super tight seats. But if you have a change of clothes and you had time to put them on, that's probably preferable. All right, team, almost there. All right, rest it up. Beautiful, take a few deep breaths here. Now we're just gonna get the stationary lunges. You can either hold on to something like we did with those lift offs in the first exercise, but if you just want to have that extra challenge for your balance, don't hold on to anything, okay? Let's get the left leg forward first. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, and let's get it. So deep lunges here, team. Stay on that left side. Stay on that left side, nice and easy here. Inhale down, exhale up. Have your legs nice and long, far away. It sounds counterintuitive, but you have more control. And your body appreciates it, especially your knees. If your legs are a little bit longer, a little bit wider, okay? Back knee is not touching the floor, but it's getting as close as it can to the floor here. Inhale down, exhale up, beauties, let's go. All right, let's switch the side. Let's go right leg forward now. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, let's get it. Inhale down, exhale up. Try your best not to hold onto your leg, but if you do need something to hold on to, get a chair, get your desk for that support. We don't want anybody falling in their office, all right? Looking good, beauties. Good leg day. We're gonna get a little bit of cardio going next. Honestly, I wouldn't advise you to work out in a suit, but I'm showing you that it can be done, even though it's not as free-flowing as workout clothes. Might be a little stinky after this. Woo! All right, rest it up, team, good job. Up next, we're gonna get those high knees, just like we did in the warm-up, and those quick side steps when I call for it. All right, team, take a deep breath in, and exhale out. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. So high knees, oh man, quick high knees with these pants are tough. All right, beauty, switch. So quick side steps, 2 to 3 to the right, 2, 3 to the left. Stay low here. Nice and quick transition. Stabilize it though when you shift. All right, high knees again, go. Pump those knees quick as possible. All right, back to those side shuffles, let's go. Looking good, beauties. You're working out in your office gear, 10 points for you. They're equal to about 10 shroot bucks. All right, back to those high knees, let's go. All right, rest it up, team, good job. Get a quick swig of water right here. Well done. All right, beauties. Hope you're having a great day wherever you are at. All right, working out in a suit. First time for everything, huh? All right, beauties, let's get back to the top. We're gonna get those lift offs again. Left leg forward, right leg back. Half lunge, explode up. Bring that knee up quick, and then get onto those toes. If you're feeling spicy, you wanna challenge your balance. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1, let's get it. Half lunge, lift off. Half lunge, lift off. And use those arms to your advantage. Help us with the balance. For me, I like to have that same arm pump me up as we bring that opposite leg, or the same arm on the leg I'm standing on. Bring that opposite leg up nice and high. Little coordination challenge there. Whoo-wee. Sweat's happening. Luckily, I'm gonna take this to the dry cleaner soon. All right, team, switch it up. Beautiful, let's go. Right leg forward, left leg back. 3, 2, 1, let's go. I went to a wedding in Greece recently during the summer, and let's just say I was probably sweating more there dancing on the dance floor in a suit than I am working out right now. Let's just say it was really hot. Super, super hot. Let's go, beauties, almost there.
You are now listening to Dr. Jazz.
All right, rest it up, good job. Take a deep breath here. All right, let's get those body weight squats again. All right, I need to wipe it down here. Body weight squats, or those sit to stands. Okay, if you need that extra assistance. All right, team, here we go. 3, 2, 1, let's get it. Inhale down, exhale up. Kick that booty back. Quick and easy workout. Maybe not easy, sorry, but good, challenging workout. 15 minutes during your lunch break. During a break you might have in between meetings, in between long emails that you might need to write. Maybe you can, in between the breaks, in between the workouts, you just type a sentence or two. Be double productive here. Almost there. All right, beauties. Rest it up, take a breather, wiggle those legs out. We got those stationary lunges, left leg first, forward, okay? All right, team. Woo. Yeah, feeling good. Hope y'all are feeling good. Let's get it. Left leg forward, here we go. 3, 2, 1, let's get it. Stationary lunges, left leg forward, back knee, getting as close as you can to the floor without touching it. Feel that tension in that butte, in those quads. Inhale down, team, exhale up. Oh yeah, feeling good. Let's get it. All right, switch it up. Right leg forward, left leg back. Adjust your pants if you need to. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Remember, try your best to keep your hands free. Allow your hands and your body to manage the balance itself. But again, if you do need that assistance, please get a desk, please get a chair. No shame in that. Inhale down, exhale up, beauties. Let's go. Big push through that front heel. Drive that heel into the floor while keeping those right toes down. Almost there. All right, rest it up, wiggle those legs out. All right, we got those high knees to those quick side steps. All right, as long as your pants allows you to. Here we go. Catch that breath. Looking good, team. We're almost done. Quick 15 minutes. Let's get it. High knees right here. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. High knee it. Pump them up quick. All right, beauties. Side shuffle. Let's go. 2, 3 steps to the right. 2, 3 steps to the left. Let's go, back to those high knees, get it. All right, back to those side shuffles. Let's go. Back to those high knees one more time. All right, take a quick little breather, team. We're almost done. Quick little burnout with some bodyweight squats. Let's finish it strong right here. All right, here we go. Push through it, almost done. Feet shoulder width. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Inhale down, exhale up. Let's go, keep that chest up high. Bodyweight squats, sit to stands. Let's go.
You are now listening to Dr. Jazz.
Almost there. Let's go, 10 seconds. 10 seconds, beauties. All right, beautiful job. Get back to work. Just kidding, if you need, if you're on your lunch break, I hope you have a little bit more time to gather yourself and get back to work when you're done sweating, like me. All right, beauties, thanks for coming. First, desk exercise focused workout, no equipment needed. Thank you so much for coming. Love each other, love yourselves. Remember, live Jazz It Up classes every Monday at 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, or I'll see you in another one of these pre-recorded classes. All right, team, take care. Adios.